Alright, I'm feeling it.
Okay.
Honk if you're happy. Come on now. I know some of you are happy out there.
Come on, honk if you're happy. Honk.
Yeah!
I said, oh mama, what do you mean?
He's on his phone. Oh, there's so many coming.
She said, I am the one.
They're all on their phones. This lady's going slow. They're trying to read it. There's more coming. Should we turn it around? Should we turn it around? They're free!
That's funny.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Right on, man! White trucks are never happy. Hold. They're going pretty slow. Must be a good reader. They look like they're happy. Are they gonna honk? Honk? Bitches. Yeah.
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
Most people don't honk.
We should ask him if he was driving on this road today.
He like smiled at me. He was like, "Reaper." Oh God, I don't think you read it. I'll keep telling myself that.
Yeah! Yeah! He's happy!
What up?
Yeah, any freaks will just tell him that there's a hidden fee.
What's the 5 cents if you're ugly? He wanted to. He totally wanted to honk.
What the heck?
He gave me a really dirty look.
The guy was like,
Oh my God, that was Spencer!
"Are you serious?
That was totally him!
I didn't even see him."
Oh my God, that was him!